What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here today, and it is a beautiful day in Houston, Texas. The sky is blue, it's like very cold outside, and I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt. But today is a really big day, very exciting day for the FRS. We're doing two huge things. We're about to go take a large lump sum of money out of the bank and go buy bags. We're gonna go with the Airlift 3P system for the FRS. We're gonna get it all ready to rock before the Rocketbunny kit gets here. And also, I think my wheels may show up today. So it depends what the title and thumbnail of the video is. That's what we're doing. It says they're en route right now, and so they could show up at any minute. So we're gonna go hop in the FRS, get some money, drive over to the shop we're buying it from, put the down payment down, and get these bags here in probably the next couple days. So super excited. I'm gonna try and vlog today, so I'm not very good at vlogging, but we'll give her a shot. Let's hop in the FRS and go ruin my bank account. Taken this much money out of the bank since I bought this car, so it's kind of sad to see it all go, but it's going to a good cause, and this car will look absolutely sick after this is all done. So the timeline is kind of weird. I wasn't too sure how to go about doing it, if I should buy the air ride on my own and then just wait to have it installed. But I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get it installed on the car as soon as possible whenever it gets here, which the guy said maybe like Thursday, Friday, but now that it's like another day late, maybe next week. And then we're just gonna ride with the bags on the stock body, and I'll get my wheels hopefully today, and then it's just waiting time for the Rocketbunny kit to come. So then once we get the Rocketbunny kit on, I gotta get tires, put on the wheels, and then I guess we just have to recalibrate the settings for it, but we'll just cross that bridge when we come to it. We got a nice long drive ahead of us. It's still beautiful outside. No one's on the road. Thank you for social distancing. Hope y'all are staying safe. I'll see you when we get to the shop. All right, guys, we have arrived to Top Notch Customs. We got the owner's 6 slammed Cadillac outside. Let's go spend some money, folks. All right, guys, we have officially paid for the bags. That one hurt a little bit, you're not gonna lie. We got the 3P system from Airlift Performance, so I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be absolutely sick. The build needs bags, and I've never had bags before, and this is probably the only car I'm ever gonna run bags on. And just to be the hot JDM stance boy that I am, we're gonna go full air ride suspension. Trunk setup isn't really gonna be too extravagant because, you know, I can't really open my trunk as it is, but we may fix that in the future. Hopefully somebody in their genius selves can fix me up a little pin or something to open my trunk. So I'm gonna put you guys down so I don't die right here, and I'll probably see you at home. And now we wait for the wheels, boys. Let's go. Okay, so we teleported in time. As you can see, it's dark now, and I have got the text. The wheels are here, so we're gonna walk around, check them out, and then unbox them upstairs, because I'm super excited. I've waited all day for this. You guys literally don't know how excited I am. I put these in to get ordered and made, I think like January, had to be like January 5th, or something like that. So I've been waiting for these wheels for like 3-4 months. Custom wheels for the FRS wide body kit. Oh, I'm excited, let's go check them out. All right, there they are, guys. That is a big box, so, you know, I only got one extra hand here, so I'm gonna have to put you down and also you upstairs in my room, but they're here! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for 3 months now. I haven't ever posted what wheels these were. So let's open up the box and see if they're the same wheels I ordered. Hopefully they're not purple. Okay, I've never got wheels before, so I'm gonna bring you right here to check this out, because this does not just look like one box to me. All right, so I think we just peel these back and, oh, Got a little sneak peek. There we go. All right, now there's only one thing left to do. You know what brand they are now. Wheel and bill in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, well here they are. The all-new Forgestar M14s for the Rocketbunny FRS. These are made especially for the V3 kit that I'm getting. And man, these are massive. Check out that girth, boys. Imagine like a 305 on the back of these bad boys. Oh my god. We're gonna be meaty, meaty boys. Which is what I am already, but as you can see, we got the polished black face, lip with the silver. I forgot what these are called. They're not the lugs, because these are lugs. There's a special word for these guys, but I got them in silver. And I'm sure that the center cap is in one of the other boxes, but I don't think I'm going to unbox them all right now because it's so late. But man, check these out. Boys, we're going to be hot boy JDM Stance Nation. For now, I'm going to check out all these and make sure they're all correct. And then they're pretty much just going to sit here for a couple days. And then tomorrow we're going to do is we're going to go put it up against the side of the FRS and really see just how big they are compared to the stock wheels that come with the car. I think it's going to be a huge difference. These are 18s and I think the stocks are 17s. And we'll see how they look on the car. I'm super, super excited. But it's kind of bittersweet because now I got to wait like an extra month to actually get these on the car because the kit won't be here for probably another month to a month and a half. So tell them boys over and making the Pandem kits to chop chop. Sinclair needs his Rocketbunny kit, but whew, I'm going to take the rest of these out of the box and make sure everything is a-okay. And then I'll probably see you tomorrow to see what these bad boys look like next to the car. Sweet dreams. Alright guys, it is the next day and we're going to go check out what these look like compared to the stock wheels on the FRS. I backed her out in the driveway so we can just take a look and see just how big these bad boys are compared to these stock Prius wheels and tires we got. So come along with me, my good friend. I'm pretty sure these are the fronts that I have right here. So there is the stock wheel. And then we go boop. That is going to be an absolute monster. Take a look. If you were to put it on the top of this one, just sticking out, look how far that would stick out. That is absolutely crazy. But these are going to look absolutely sick once we get them on the car. The back ones are going to be, it's going to be a meaty, meaty build, boys. I bought bags, as you saw in the beginning of the video. Hopefully those should be done by the end of this week. That'll probably be another video. So we got lots of fun FRS stuff coming. Let's go back in the garage so I don't go blind. And that's pretty much going to be it. We're just waiting now for the Rocketbunny kit to come from Japan. I don't really know how long that was going to be. I ordered it 3 weeks ago and they said 4 to 6 weeks. So it could come next week or it could be another 3 weeks. But only time will tell. Thank you guys so much for the support. I would not have been able to get these and the kit and the bags without you guys. The build is coming to an end. And I'm super, super excited to see the finished product. If you did like the video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.